Do you ever feel like your muscles are going to explode? Back pain, stiff hips, bad posture? You don't need to go to drastic measures to improve your flexibility. Most people sit too much and don't move their hips. Like hips. Of course the muscles are going to get stiff. Don't let your life be turned upside down by tight muscles and squeaky joints. You see, there's a wave of information out there on how to get strong and flexible. And it can get very confusing. That's why our programs help you get flong and sexible. Our methods are tried and tested by thousands of people of all ages, from all backgrounds, all over the world. So come on, you sexible monkey, you. Find out how to get started today. There's a program for that.
Tom, this ad doesn't make any sense. You barely even mentioned the program.
Jenny, with adverts this sexible, they're going to click the link.
It's got a point.